Here is the Chromalox UES above insulation end seal kit. This is where you terminate the heat trace run. Feed the cable through the bottom of the end seal kit. Make sure you have about a 4 to 5 inch loop at the end. You should have about 2 to 4 inches of cable coming out of the top of the end seal kit. Secure the UES to the pipe using a metal pipe strap. Insert the black grommet for self-regulating heat trace through the cable. You should have about 1 inch sticking out. Use a utility knife to remove and peel the outer jacket. Now that the outer jacket is peeled off, trim off all the exposed ground braid above the grommet. Push down the grommet into the UES. Check to make sure the ground braid is not touching anywhere and there's no breaks on the inner insulation of the cable. Screw on the cap of the UES. Tape down the loop at the end of the pipe using fiberglass tape. You have completed the installation of the UES above insulation end seal kit. For more info and support, please feel free to contact us regarding your application.